Ever wonder why some people lose weight effortlessly while others struggle? What if I told you there are secret weight loss hacks that most people don't know about? Stay with me till the end, and you'll discover 15 powerful hacks that can transform your body in just weeks. Hit that like button if you're ready to shed those extra pounds. 15 weight loss hacks they don't want you to know. Drink water the right way. Start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water. Drink before meals to reduce calorie intake. Stay hydrated. Dehydration feels like hunger. Cut sugar without noticing. Natural sweeteners like honey or stevia. Replace soda with sparkling water plus lemon. Avoid low-fat foods. They often have hidden sugars. The 12-hour fasting trick. Stop eating 3 hours before bed to improve metabolism. Aim for a 12-hour fasting window overnight. Eat protein-packed breakfast to reduce cravings. Fiber secret for instant fullness. Start meals with veggies first to fill up faster. Choose whole grains over refined carbs. Snack on chia seeds or flax seeds. Fiber plus omega-3s. Trick brain. Eating less. Use smaller plates. Your brain think you're eating more. Eat slowly. Your stomach needs 20 minutes to send full signals. Avoid eating straight from the back. Portion your food. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep for better weight control. Lack of sleep boosts hunger hormones to cravings. Keep your room cool and dark for deep sleep. The protein power play. Protein boosts metabolism and reduces appetite. Eat eggs, fish, chicken, and beans for lean protein. Replace carbs with protein at breakfast for better fat burn. Walking weight loss hack. Walk after meals. Even 10 minutes helps digestion. Aim for 8,000-10,000 steps daily. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Cut out liquid calories. Ditch sugary drinks, juices, and sodas. Drink black coffee or green tea instead. Protein shakes can replace high-calorie snacks. Spice metabolism. Cayenne pepper and ginger boost fat burn. Drink green tea or matcha for a metabolism boost. Turmeric fights inflammation. Great for digestion. The stress-fat connection. High stress equals high cortisol equals belly fat storage. Try meditation or deep breathing to lower stress. Laugh more. It literally burns calories. The no food after 8 p.m. rule. Late night eating slows metabolism. Eating late increases fat storage, not fat burning. Cravings? Try herbal tea instead of snacks. No more junk food temptation. Plan your meals to avoid last-minute bad choices. Batch cook on Sundays for easy meals all week. Use portion-controlled containers to avoid overeating. Drink coffee the right way. Black coffee equals 0 calories plus metabolism boost. Add cinnamon instead of sugar for flavor. Drink before workouts. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more game-changing weight